Good day and welcome to AMAP Cafe's class. So today we are going to be talking about how to create a story and how to make use of Capcut to create a story. First and foremost, before you create a story, you must have vector images, and that vector images, that's what leads us to download and to know how to make use of Bing.com app, which was talked about in our previous video. So right about now, we are going to create a story. I've created my story with the use of ChatGPT. As you can see, I've created a storyline which I want to use, and afterwards I'm going to, this words is going to be turned into a video. You get a virtual video to bring out, like, to just tell a story about a business. So right about now, let's go to our Capcut and let's do the magic. And ensure you have downloaded a video and have, let me just say, have a storyline in your head already that you want to create. As you can see, GPT, it's so simple to create. Just input your idea, then it's all out. So now let's go to our Capcut app now. So this is our Capcut app. You can download your Capcut from Play Store or Apple Store. Now we're going to click on New Project. As I've said previously, have a story. Now we are going to pick in our pictures we are going to make use of by clicking on this circle. You can see that is how you pick your image. So after picking your images, you click on add. So this is our images. We're going to create story with all this. Good and fine. So now let's start. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about how to bring in your words. You're going to click on text. This right here. Click on add text. Then you type whatsoever you want to type. So we are going to type whatsoever we want to type. And remember, I said I make use of ChatGPT to create my story. And apart from that, I'm going to manipulate the story, bring in my own story, add some things and adjust some certain things. So you can see, meet John, a dedicated medical student preparing for his exams, blah blah blah. So I'm going to manipulate this to create copy. I make use of my notes, my app notes, to save up the story. You can do that as well. Then afterwards, I'm going to go back to my Capcut to input it. Click here and you can see, then I'm going to start some certain adjustments. think favor is a common name. Let's use something different. So this is how to import it, to import your text. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to do it bit by bit for you all to understand. You can see that this is really long. Then we are going to break it down by I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Then we click, drag it down, then click for styles. You click for styles, and I mean styles. Let's try what kind of font do we want to make use of. You can load, as you can see, we have different kind of fonts in these quarters. So just pick the one you want to make use of. The color, style, what color will be more preferable for this? Black. No, let's go with something sharp. No, the white color is okay. Let's try. We can pick any one of this. We have animation. To bring out your text out. This for animation. I think these are the basic ones. These are the many. These are unnecessary though. These are really unnecessary. But animation, effect, style, and prompt are the basic. Are really the basic. So you can see how I bring them out. Okay, good. So after getting your text well done, then you're going to click on text to speech. This is where you're going to have a narrator. Text to speech. Text to speech. You click, you can see we have the male character, any type of voice you really want to make use of. You can click and make use of it. As you can see, Sarah, we have Jesse. It all depends on what you really want, but let it be unique.
Meet Victoria.
And great. Let it be unique and great. So when you click, if you want some certain adjustments of the voice of the narrator of your story, you can click here, the speed of it. If you want it to be fast, good, you click around there. You see, you click.
Meet Victoria.
Let's see.
Meet Victoria, a dedicated medical student preparing for her final exams.
So let's go back and check again if it really suits.
Meet Victoria.
If it really suits what we want, we can accept it, but it does not. It does not.
Meet Victoria. Meet Victoria. Meet Victoria, a dedicated medical student.
So that is how we adjust on the voice note. I said voice note. That's how we adjust on the voice narrator.
Meet Victoria, a dedicated medical student preparing for her final exams.
I think this one is really better. I make use of the peaceful. I click on speech. I make use of
Meet Victoria, a dedicated medical student preparing for her final exams.
I make use of peaceful man. Peaceful male. I make use of peaceful male. Yeah. I make use of peaceful male. So let's click for adjustments. Then we are good.
Meet Victoria, a dedicated medical student preparing for her final exams.
Good. So that is how to get your voice narrator and adjustment. Then let's talk about this right here. Let's talk about this. This is like a transition. It's going to load. Yeah, transition.
Preparing for her.
We have different crazy transition over here, depending on what
preparing
you
for her
want.
final. Preparing for her final.
You can see.
Preparing for her final.
So that area is called transition of your image to make it look classy and sharp. So those are the basic thing. Then you click on this more to adjust the rest. Now we are going to input our next text. Remember, we are going to click on, to make it more simpler, click duplicate. Click on duplicate. Then we drag. Hope we can see this line here. Let me make it more clearer. Hope you can see this green line over there. This green line. Ensure your duplicated text is like this. Then we are going to edit. Remember, we are going to edit. Remember this pen, click on it. And input our, input it. Good. And remember, text to speech. Click on text to speech. And we are making use of peaceful male, the one we make use of from the previous one. That's the same one we are going to use throughout our video.
For her practice, she decided to invest in quality equipment, realizing the importance of having reliable tools.
Now generating speech. Ensure everything is accurate. And remember this. Remember this. Our transition, ensure you change your transition apply oil transition. I want the video to be short, but apply oil transition and everything should be well detailed. So I'm going to pause the video now so I can apply all my text in each of my pictures. I just want to make the video so short so it won't consume your data. But these are the basic things, like these are just the basic things I've just explained. Okay. As you can see, I've added my third storyline.
Equipment. After searching for the best options, she discovers a MapMed Essentials.
So at the end of the video, we are going to do something different by saying contact us now. Now we input our digits. So we're going to make this a little bit different by let's try something.
Views. Making them the preferred choice for both students and professionals.
Now contact us now. So we are going to click on sound. When we click on sound, we are going to type typewriter. So let's try this.
Students and professionals.
Then we come over here and delete. Then we click on this split, then delete. Now let's just change the font. Contact style. Let me click the font. Let's change the font of this. Or let's just go to style or effect. Let's pick this. Is this okay? Let's see.
Preferred choice for both students and professionals.
Remember,
Professionals. Professionals. Professionals.
now let's watch over
Meet
everything.
Victoria, a dedicated medical student preparing for her final exams.
Okay, let's try this last part and see how
Making
it
them the
goes.
preferred choice for both students and professionals.
Now, simple as that. Then we can go back to our sound. Now let's go back to our sound. We click on sound. After clicking on sound, we're going to play a music. We're going to play a music. At least remember sound. Let's delete this. Remember, you click on sound to pick a music.
Meet Victoria, a dedicated medical student preparing for her final exams. Realizing the importance of having reliable tools for her practice, she decided to invest in quality equipment.
Let's delete sound. Let's go to sales. Let's try sales. So this is where we pick our sound. So this is where we pick our sound for Vogue, anyone you want to do. So you can pick any of this, then you export your videos, or simply, or apart from that, we can simply increase the tone of our narrator.
Meet Victoria.
To increase it.
Meet Victoria, a dedicated medical student preparing for her
You click, you increase every one.
Realizing the importance of.
It's as simple as ABC. Just
after searching for the best. Med Essentials is your go-to source for top quality.
After adding audio sounds to your narrator, then if you want to add a solemn music, you can add it. Afterwards you click you click here, arrow over here to export. It's as simple as ABC. So that is all on this video. Ensure you subscribe to my channel. Ensure you subscribe to get more content on graphics. Okay, thank you so much.